Production planned, materials sourced, goods manufactured and stocked. Input what to produce, batch size, deadline, and quality standards. Bob forecasts demand and creates the production schedule. Identifies material gaps, sources from suppliers. You run production and inspect quality. Finished goods received into inventory. Your output, production schedule, material orders, quality reports, and updated inventory. Trigger, need to plan a production run. Forecast, source, produce, inspect, stock.